that application would be undermined if we took steps in the matter. And that is why we have not filed it. And particularly, the view is that you would impact on the state that we would, unless, of course, the question is view is predetermined, and therefore,
Mr. Lita, don't do that.
I'm not.
Do that.
I withdraw that. But my understanding, yes.
Are you saying that in case your review application is refused, you will not be able to file witness statements? Is that what you are saying?
Oh, then we would file without incorporating the issues that we are seeking the review for in our witness.
Then why not comply with the order of the court? File your witness statement. In case your review is granted, the rules permit you to file supplementary witness statements if you have any. Why are you refusing to obey the orders of the court? And meanwhile, you want us to hear your applications.
With the greatest respect, I didn't just not file. I filed an application for stay of proceeding.
When did you file the application for stay?
It was filed on 21st.
When?
21st of January.
When did we make our orders for you to file your witness statement?
The orders
and the legal objection. When did we make those orders?
Although that was made on the 20th, the day before.
The day before?
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, kindly.
Mr. Letha.
Yes. Yeah.
Order, please. Order. It's not coming.
The Supreme Court has resumed sitting concerning the election petition brought before it by former President John Dramani Mahama. As it resumes sitting today, there are at least 6 issues that the Supreme Court is expected to address this morning. Key among them being the fact that the petitioner had earlier on filed an application for a stay of proceedings, but before then also it had asked the Supreme Court to review its decision concerning the application for interrogatories to ask the EC chairperson some 12 questions, which the petitioner believes if these questions are answered, that it will give the Supreme Court a certain focus and make time for the proceedings to be shortened. These are the outstanding issues. However, yesterday, just about 2:30 in the afternoon, the petitioners again made an application to the Supreme Court, and this application had to do with some corrections and additions they wanted to make in respect of the application for review. So what then it meant was that the motion they filed yesterday indicated that the petitioner wanted to add certain information, some information to the review application. Then beyond that, they also wanted to make some corrections to paragraph 28 of the petition that had been brought before the Supreme Court. However, this morning, as the court resumed, what happened was that the court asked the parties involved to present their witness statements. Indeed, on the 20th of this month, when the court sat, and the second time, the instructions to the both the first respondent, second respondent, and indeed the petitioner was for them to file their witness statements by today. The petitioner hadn't done so, and that obviously displeased the judges on the panel. The lawyer for the petitioners today, represented by lawyer Tony Letha, he made a submission and suggested that indeed, because the petitioner had filed for a stay of proceedings, they believed that there was no need to present witness statements today until a decision had been arrived on the stay of proceedings and the other applications that the petitioner and his lawyers had brought before the court. The court has now gone into recess to consider some of these matters. This is what has happened in court this morning. As proceedings began, it took less than 10 minutes for the court to rise again. We now wait to see what the outcome will be, and whatever the outcome will be, we will let you know. We'll hand over back to the studio where you are having your experts who will continue with the discussion. Didn't have anybody.
It's 9:59. To hear your notifications while your phone is locked, you'll need to turn on headphones personal results. Check the notification.
At the Supreme Court, and our reporters on the ground tell us that the Supreme Court has gone on recess. That's because the petitioners, led by counsel Tony Letha, today were supposed to file their witnesses' statements. They couldn't do that today, and they are saying that there was a motion pending for a review of a ruling that the Supreme Court made on their request to ask the EC some 12 or 15 specific questions. The Supreme Court dismissed that request and made their ruling. The NDC requested for a review of that ruling. Later, after the court adjourned to today, the NDC filed another motion to stay proceedings until the Supreme Court has heard their case on a motion requesting for a review of that particular hearing. So, counsel Tony Letha was saying that because these two motions were pending, they didn't come to court today with their